the affordable home story?
No, I don't.
Our good friend Ethan,
Yes.
up until about
A year ago.
6 months ago, maybe, thought that that's what he said.
No, he didn't.
Yeah,
Affordable home.
affordable home.
Where is the...
So you weren't here when we went in?
No! Where? How does that make any sense?
It doesn't. That's why we mocked him so mercilessly. We're like, what the hell are you talking about, Ethan? He's like, I had no idea he said affordable home. I thought he said affordable home.
Well, you know, in his defense, I used to think that Sheryl Crow was singing about Santa and a cup full of lard instead of Santa Monica Boulevard. So,
Santa and a cup full of lard.
yeah.
Fresh baker stuff. The Gag Factory has a laugh-o-meter. Smirk, giggle, chuckle, laugh, guffaw, bellow, or roar. We are currently at guffaw levels inside this shop. Let's find out how guffawish it is. Look at this.
I was just going to say, I think she's new.
That shirt or
Yeah.
that? Yeah, I like this new, the 2018 design.
Yeah, remember
the
I
theme.
didn't like what they first came out with?
Yeah?
They're coming out with more stuff, and I'm very happy.
No, I'm well, I should say it's at least an improvement.
Do you get it? Do you get it, David? Do you get it?
You weren't there for, me and Ian did a whole bit on that also.
No, Why do you do bits without me?
Actually, you weren't there because you weren't.
Yeah,
you weren't at the
you were
spot.
somewhere else.
Wow.
I thought it was convenient.
You bit without me?
If it was 2017, you'd drop it.
Though I pointed out that like you could still have a 7 that you can hold on to. It might be less comfortable, but you could still totally have a Chevy 7.
A 7 would be...
It's funnier if you drop it though.
No, a 7 would
On
be
points, you
hideous.
can still have a handle on the
Nope.
going up.
God, Ian,
Nope.
power down, Ian, power down.
I would if I could, man. Would if I could.
What's that?
I like this one.
What's going on here?
Well, it's just kind of got
Oh, it's like a passport.
Kinda.
Those are passport stamps,
But yes.
right?
That's what I think that's the vibe going. Because this is like original.
Yeah.
July 1955. And then here's like Disney California Adventure.
In 1955.
Right. And then there's like, that's like what the, now it's the Disneyland Resort. Mm-hmm. Because remember?
Oh yeah, different. Yeah, it's gone through the.
Name changes.
Sure, sure.
they
Fun
added-
facts, Fresh Baked. I don't know if you ever knew that. It wasn't always Disneyland Resort.
No.
That would happen in, I assume, 2001 when DCA
when they-
Yeah,
yeah,
and
when they-
and the
this
Grand
does-
opened.
yeah, I
Because
feel
at
like-
that point it
I
was
feel like they could change
there were
that
multiple
date, but-
hotels,
Yeah.
2 parks, and a shopping
And then
district,
now
so-
that's what California Adventure looks like.
Right, which is.
Oh, there's a date. February 08, 01.
Oh, there you go.
So I dig it. And it's got like the basics. Look at Grizzly, monorails going across, Carthay.
That's the same exact thing right here, isn't it?
But in color.
Yeah, but in color.
Oh, that looks so much better.
I like
Thank you,
this.
Erin. Thank you.
That looks almost a little bit like what's his name too.
Shag?
Yeah.
Kinda, huh? It might
Your
be.
arms are in the way.
It might be the other
No,
artist.
you're good. The other guy, I forgot his name.
Me too, but it might be the other one.
I
don't
like
know.
it. It looks good. I like it.
Me too. Are
Sarah,
you kidding
got a
me?
new hat. You can't wear it though. Put that on.
I can't, David. There's chipmunks in it.
That's still cute though.
That's pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a hat you give to a friend,
I
isn't it?
totally enjoy that.
Hey,
There you go. You can add this to your like monorail and Disneyland collection. Look, and you can get a bus, like the bus you have to take
I really like this.
every day.
I really like this. I wish it was just regular Disney though, but I want one of these. I used to collect, like trucking.
Peterbilt haulers?
Well, there's Peterbilt. There was United. There was, I mean, a whole bunch of different, like, brands of 18-wheelers.
Did you collect Hot Wheels?
Yeah, but that was part of it. Me and my brother used to collect almost exclusively just the 18-wheelers, and we would drive them around like we were truckers.
Is it more fun to play with 18-wheelers than just regular Hot Wheels?
Well, no, I don't know. It depends on what
We never
what you're
stepped it
into.
up to the big ones. We just went for Hot
Yeah,
Wheels.
but I really like that. I would buy that maybe and put it up on a bookcase or something.
Right. Yeah, we had like super sick tracks in my brother's bedroom.
We played it in my mom's garden.
Oh, that's
We built cities in my mom's
Oh,
garden.
that's fun.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah.
I approve.
Yeah, she was really thrilled about that too.
Good job.
Hey, they have new otter boxes
Oh, you
here.
can't-
Do we?
You can't open this, but this is like the one that I have that opens up
Okay.
wallet-wise.
Yeah.
It's not.
Where's the new otter boxes?
The new OtterBoxes.
Apparently there's a new Disney OtterBox.
Oh, there is actually.
Yeah.
I think that we would have to go over to the DCA store.
Oh, really?
Or just a bigger store.
Maybe.
Well, that store just always has
Yeah.
the.
Oh, you mean
Off the page.
Thank you.
oh, off the page?
They
Yeah. Okay.
always have like a solid.
Got
I'm
it.
sure there's an
Case
equivalent store
collection.
here that carries them, but we just don't know which one it is.
Oh, look it.
Oh,
This
I've
is
never
new.
seen this puzzle.
Stop talking. We're talking about this.
But that's boring. Those are just collectibles.
No, but these are the things we always. Whenever the new movie comes out, you get this set. We never get a classic set like this.
Okay, that's very true. That is
Right?
very true. So if you do want your OGs hanging out.
Well, these aren't like really heavy.
Do you know what my mom used to do
durable
with
ones
these?
though? Those are kind of plasticky. What's that?
She would put them on our birthday cakes.
Oh, really? How nice.
I know, right? So then you'd have like the most epic cake, like, and then you would just play with them afterwards.
Do you know what my mom would put on my birthday cake?
To the stinkiest son ever did.
No, she wouldn't. I didn't have birthdays or cakes.
That makes even more sense.
That was a bad joke, or what do you call it? Like a sad joke?
It's a sad bad joke, but that's real life.
Tell me about your puzzle, Sarah.
Look at this is new.
It is new. It's a signature puzzle.
I really like this.
There's a hill behind
Is that
it, though.
Oh my
is that
God.
hand chart?
Oh my God, wait.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that at Hong Kong? So there's hills behind it.
Yeah. Why are there hills behind it?
Because it's Hong Kong.
Because Hong Kong has the Sleeping Beauty castle
Well,
also.
not much longer.
Not anymore.
It's
Anyway,
it's
actually,
that's
not
already
for
gone
long.
under
Wait,
screens
really?
and
Is that for
construction
real
walls.
life right now?
Well, okay, yeah. So Hong Kong basically copied Sleeping Beauty castle,
Okay.
but they're redesigning it. They're making some
It's real.
monstrosity. It's ugly as ugly as heck.
I'll find a picture.
I mean, are they not allowed to copy?
No, they can.
No, they can't,
but they decided
because
because
they're
they're.
perfectly wonderful, cute, quaint little castle,
Yeah.
and just I'll find a picture.
Okay, so here's what you do. Think about all the different castles that you could make for Disney.
Yes.
Different, themes, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty.
Yes.
There's that-
Put them in a blender, make it really bright, and then stick it.
Ugly.
Yeah, it's awful.
The only bright spots that are putting a little new extra mode, so they can do like a mini water show.
Yeah.
Question,
Yes.
slight tangent.
Sir.
You know, in like new Disney films now, there's always that very epic camera pan
Sure.
into the castle.
Yeah.
Do they change those depending on the movie?
No,
think you-
absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Pirates got its own. I know
Pirates.
that.
Go- okay.
Yeah, lots of 'em.
Thank
Lots-
you.
lots of
Because
them.
that one
Sometimes-
is so different.
Sometimes
to me.
they just do the music change. Sometimes they do little differences on the castle.
That's what I thought. Okay.
Sometimes they put like a girl holding a torch,
Oh, sometimes they have like a tiger.
a tiger. Yeah. Sometimes they have a tiger. Sometimes there's a kid hanging from the moon fishing.
Oh, that makes sense. Sometimes there's like a little
You're-
bouncy lamp.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Girl, get that. Paint the Night is coming back, okay? we gotta be ready.
March, April. April.
April, and then
13th.
the Incredibles will be added mid.
You know what? That reminds me, Fresh Baked. I mentioned this on the website or on the live stream on Thursday. We're taking another crack at the website. The website's back up again. Have you been to the website? She's not listening. Anyway, the website's back up. We're changing the theme again. We're taking another shot at this because I know I've said this before. The website's back. Go check out our website. I know you can't trust me.
I have trust.
But one of the things that we're doing there is I've got countdowns for our next major video and also for the opening of, let's say, Pixar Pier or Paint the Night. You can track when it's going to be back. So that's fun. Go to our website, freshbakedbusy.com, and check out what's new in the parks, what's new with Fresh Bake. We have an FAQ, Sarah.
We do.
I put up an FAQ on the website, yes.
So I can direct everyone there.
Yep, and it's, the
Fantastic.
very first question is,
Are you married?
do you guys go every day?
Okay. Are you going to be there on this day?
Are you going to be there on this day?
Okay. Is the second one, are you married?
No, but it does explain our relationships. And Arina is trying to get herself fired, I think.
I think she is. I think she was like, I'm sick of you, Mickey. Whack.
Yeah, so there's an FAQ. There's also, I'm going to be updating ride closures and stuff like that. Plus, news items and things. What's going on? What's new at the park? So check it out, freshbakedbusy.com. Sarah, while you're busy doing that, I want to talk about these magnets.
I was going to say, wait, I want to show you magnet.
Oh, those aren't magnets. Is that a magnet and a clip? It's a magnet
These are
clip.
upsetting me.
That's magic.
Okay,
It
those
is
are
a magnet clip.
those are magnet clips that's free to hang like the lists and stuff.
Yeah.
Photo.
I love these magnets.
These have already existed.
where's the
you should
churro?
have this one, right?
Do I have it?
You should have.
Why would I have it?
Because we got these sent to us.
Oh, for Christmas or something,
Yeah.
you mean? Oh, okay. As a gift?
Yes.
Okay.
These are new, I
These
believe.
are fantastic.
Are these not the greatest?
Great. I love these.
Like, come on.
Yeah. Where's the churro, though?
But that's in the big magnet, remember? You want a picture of?
Were those magnets?
I
thought they were toy churros that we could play with.
I thought some of them were
Churros.
magnets
No,
too.
you're
though.
right. They were definitely
They were
magnets.
magnets, right?
They weren't for me. For me, they were toy churros.
Just toy churros.
For playing the game churro.
Also, Mickey Short.
Oh yes.
Love him.
Yeah.
My niece loves him.
I want to get some of these soon.
Those are pretty rad.
I like these. You can never have enough magnets. Did you guys picture disaster here?
Yes.
Okay.
Nails.
Those are for men?
There you
Ears
go.
for men, huh?
Solid Mickey ears.
All right. It's kind of, okay. Solid. Yeah.
It's about time.
It is about time.
I feel like this is really the only option you guys have ever had. Like,
I didn't even know we had those.
well, Tesh wears.
I was gonna say, do you not know Tesh?
Yeah. That's
Well,
what
but he
Tesh
wears
does.
he wears whatever though.
No, he wears those.
I know, but he also wore all the other ones that weren't necessarily, you know.
Oh, Franny wears the other ones.
Oh.
Oh, this one's new. This is beautiful. Oh, for little princess and fairies.
Now, is that for Fran?
Yes.
Okay.
Franny would die. I already know who it. Oh, wait.
Yeah. Is there a dude one for those? I'm gonna have to wear one of those
Nope.
soon.
Just throw it over her face. There you go. You're
There you
set.
go. Very dramatic music.
It's new, I want to say. The other one looks like the regular one.
Let's go out this way. Bum ba dum ba dum bum bum ba dum.
All that stuff on top of it.
It's terrible.
What time is it?
It's a mishmash of architecture.
It is 9:47.
Is that all? Okay, let's go ride gadgets. And then we gotta ride the monorail.
Does it have one rail?
Well, they don't call it the
Dual rail.
duo rail or the
There we go.
trio rail. They just, well, you know what? Actually, why bother calling it the monorail? Why can't you just call it rail?
Because that's not. I'm gonna go ride a rail.
Too simple.
I tell you, that, whenever, like sometimes it's Liz or sometimes it's the Ninja or you or Sarah, but I get that one laugh, it just makes it all worthwhile. I love it. I'm just like, thank you very much. Not yet though.
Okay.
We're gonna do this for, we're gonna go it. Oh, I love Sarah. Sarah, go that way, okay?
Pretty randomly, I got several weeks ago. Chip and like chips.
Yes, I did see that.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Oh, I always forget her name. Clarice?
I don't know the Rescue Rangers.
Clarice, the girlfriend of Chip? Yeah.
Chip has a girlfriend?
Yeah, she's hot.
Well, that explains the
She's a
Chip and
babe.
Dale, like, are they a Bert and Ernie situation, or what are they?
No, totally
Are they
not.
brothers?
They're brothers.
They are brothers.
Yeah,
okay.
That's what I always assumed.
That's what I've always.
Well, has it ever been clearly stated or defined?
I don't think so.
But sometimes storytelling can get something across without explicitly saying it, so, you know.
Yeah, Chip's got a total hottie. And usually she's like in a little bikini or like whatever.
Yeah.
But you don't see her often, but she was totally out here chilling with him, so. I don't know what the deal was. But I'm very jealous. Franny saw him, right?
I think so, yeah.
Of Chip's girlfriend?
Well, just whoever got to see them, because like,
Okay, I got
she was
you.
like out here taking pictures with
I've
kids.
never seen
Yeah.
It was
whoever
cool.
that is. I'm gonna
Well-
turn around. Oh my God, that's a wall. I was going backwards that whole time, you guys, so that was bound to happen eventually. Whenever I ride gadgets, I always feel like a giant person.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus
See,
manos,
look at my
brazos,
knees,
pies,
like they're coming
piernas
out of
dentro
the
del
acorn.
vehículo.
Are we in acorns?
Acorns? Chao.
Ah! Holy heck. They're gonna yell at me in a minute. They're gonna yell at me. I'm gonna look at Star Wars Land. No! 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 Oh my God! Ah! 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 on it. Spin on it.
Oh, we're done. And take care.
And take care. I'll have the cucumber water, or the cucumber what? Salad? We were just asking about Peter, and he's here. He's here in ToonTown going on gadgets. Peter, I didn't even know that was on his tour that he usually does. Yeah, the Peter 2 circuit. You know what we got to do? Is we got to figure out what his circuit is and have a Peter 2 day. Oh, do you hear that?
Can I just be the wife that doesn't care?
And then, yeah, you just, well, she's not even here. I don't even know where she is.
That's what I mean. Can I be that one?
We had asked the question last week. We hadn't seen or heard of Peter for a while, and we thought maybe the worst. And one commenter said that he said the worst, and I was not pleased to hear that he was not being truthful.
Don't even like put that out.
Yeah, you don't say that kind of thing.
Don't say that.
That's not a thing you joke about.
No, it's not. It's really not.
Why are we here? Oh, that's right. We're doing Star Wars line updates. Oh, there you go. So stand by, Fresh Baked. Is he in there? Is this him?
Yes.
T-shirt right here.
There he is. There he is. I'm filming Peter 2 ride the Gadgets Go Coaster. I am a crazy person.
I'm surprised he's not.
Well, he is 80. Do you guys see him? He's second from the last. I love you, Peter 2.